Understanding Legal and Financial Processes, a detailed guide. The purpose of this guide is to explore the complex processes often associated with legal and financial systems. Let's break down the key points discussed in the video on the veto of bills and the order to set off financial obligations. Overview of legal actions. 1. Court procedures. Individuals can initiate procedures to claim court jurisdiction changes, such as moving a case from criminal to probate court. This shift requires the charging entities to validate their claims with proof, often leading to an audit. 2. Nationality and jurisdiction. Understanding one's status as a U.S. citizen versus a non-citizen is crucial. Declaring oneself a non-citizen can exempt an individual from certain legal obligations, positioning them as a natural entity or executor over their associated accounts. Roles and responsibilities. 3. Roles in judicial processes. Executor versus executive officer. It is advised not to assume the role of executor, the one who carries out actions, but rather to remain the executive officer who delegates responsibilities. This separation of roles helps maintain a strategic position in legal proceedings. Preservation of authority. As an executive officer, you designate others to execute actions while steering clear of direct involvement in executing potentially contentious tasks. 4. Processes for setting off financial obligations. Vetoing bills. Similar to a president vetoing a bill, individuals have the right to veto financial charges, like utility bills, received by exercising their role as executive postmasters. Utilizing instruments. Place a stamp and make notations on the bill to declare it not accepted for value. Provide an executive order instructing the offset to the funds owed back to the Treasury. Financial instruments and accounts. 5. Money orders and Treasury accounts. Individuals can employ money orders drawn from their executive Treasury accounts to settle financial disputes. Understanding routing numbers and account numbers, such as those found on Social Security cards and passports, is vital for navigating these processes. 6. Legal frameworks and international contexts. Various legal contexts, such as international transactions, can affect processes, but understanding the fundamental principles of nationality and executive authority remains central. In cases involving international jurisdiction, one might coordinate with national embassies or consulates. Challenges and considerations. 7. Navigating complex systems. Acknowledge the difficulty in dealing with entrenched systems that may resist these processes. Individuals are encouraged to pursue these actions with caution and thorough understanding, working within the boundaries of legal frameworks. 8. Ongoing developments. Legal and financial strategies continue to evolve, requiring individuals to stay updated on practices and regulations. By maintaining a clear distinction between roles of authority and execution, and understanding the financial instruments available, individuals can more effectively manage their legal and financial obligations within the framework of established law. This educational perspective highlights the importance of knowledge, strategic positioning, and adherence to legal protocols.